Wer klopft? Oh shit. Was ist los? Colin? Versteck dich. Ja. Ich kann nicht rausschauen, Mann. Ah, das ist sie. Krawatte richten ab.
Bigby!
Hä? Wer bist du? Snow White, alles klar, ich Mongo. Natürlich, das Schneewittchen. Oh man.
Snow. Snow.
What? Sorry, What is it?
Was
What
ist?
happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Wow, wer bist du?
Hi.
Peter
Hello.
Pan.
Good morning. Or evening.
Oder ist es ein Mandy?
Yeah.
Wer ist das?
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
Ah, ist immer sicher. Was ist echt los? Wolf in Sheriff's clothing. Wow. Security. Was ist passiert da? Der Mord gsi und die Leiche ist verschwunden, oder ist da eine Maus drunter? Oh shit!
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right?
Glaub es nicht.
Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
A working girl?
Ist es wirklich
A
eine
working
Prostituierte
girl.
gewesen, aber ich weiß
I don't-
nicht.
I mean, I'm a working... Oh.
Was hat sie dort im Maul?
A woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet.
Ah,
Just give me a
ich
second.
glaube auch nicht, dass da...
It's just... terrible.
Hast du irgendjemanden gesehen?
So, did you see anyone else?
No. No one.
No cabs, no voices, Mundies?
Maybe, but... No. I don't think so. I would remember.
Okay.
Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on.
Achtung, Leute.
Have a look around. We don't have much time before people...
Ja, ich will
keep
schauen,
coming
was sie
through
zwischen den Lippen hat dort. Etwas Pinkes, nicht die Zunge. Es hat zuerst ausgesehen wie die Zunge. Ah, close your eyes, ja. Aber es ist, glaube ich, schon mit einer Axt gewesen. Nimm's. Ach.
It's
Ah, shit,
a
ja.
ribbon.
Mit ihrem Ring.
There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize
Das ist
it.
ihr Fingerring.
Neither do I.
Okay.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
God, what did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
Axt, eben, es wäre naheliegend, aber ich glaube es nicht. Oh. Blood trail.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
Ja, voll mit Blutspuren.
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Dort hinten, was hat's dort noch?
Blood. Drops of blood.
Wieso hat jeder den
See,
Finger
it's
rein
been
und
here
tut so?
an hour maybe?
Ah, schmeckt dran. Wieso machen das alle? Ich weiss, zum Konsistenzprüfen und so, wie alt das ist, aber ja.
No signs that it's been here long.
Was ist das? Schnüffel mal dran, Wolf.
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Schmeck mal dran, Alter. Oh, dort oben ist auch noch Blut.
There's some loose trash.
Sicher? Okay.
Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier.
Ja, weiß nicht, das ist doch jeder. Blut.
Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough.
Ah, drüber kommt man eigentlich nicht.
Surprised the garbage men can even find their way here.
Okay, wir haben ein bisschen Jeans, wir haben den Ring. Was machen wir jetzt? Wo er steht hinter der Gulak. Ich weiß nicht, ob das bringt. Schau mal, Jeans. Du hast einen Jeansrock.
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time.
Nein, ist viel zu hell.
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it.
Ja, hoffen wir
Bigby,
es.
do you have any idea what's going on?
This is a message.
Irgendwas wollen die uns
A
sagen.
message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
The victim. She could be a symbol for something.
Ich weiß nicht, ich hätte das links sollen nehmen. Das geht so schnell am Mix.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this.
Wer ist der
As
Crane?
long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it.
We should wait until we have more to
Ah,
tell.
Crane,
Right
deve
now,
be some-
all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that, and I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know.
Ich
I'll
weiß
think
auch
about
nicht.
it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Eben genau so einer denkt. So ein grosser, oberwichtiger und dann...
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Swinehart. Man nicht mal den Namen kannte. Scheiße. The Long Goodbye. Was sind das für drei?
What are you, blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
Ja,
And
genau.
what great work you do, sheriff.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Fucker.
Wow.
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so
Crane
simply
foolish
stumbled
then.
upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here.
Ja,
This
is
is a
mean verder.
disaster.
If anyone's to blame, it's me. You don't need to be yelling at her.
Oh, your role in this is duly noted. Yes, let's talk about that.
Oh,
Sheriff, You are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now,
Thanks,
I
Mr.
have
Bluebird.
half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard was mentioned.
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak. So don't
Okay,
even
shit.
think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair.
The guy has a history of beheading young women. I'd say that's something worth checking out.
If all you're operating off of is ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. By that rationale, you're a suspect as well, Wolf.
Was will
You
Merli
two need
ist
to
ich weiß es
handle on this
nicht.
situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Ich kaputt.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase?
Was?
Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find
ja.
someone who can.
You know
Mach doch
what?
selber.
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
Jetzt hätte ich sollen fuck you sagen. Ich wäre sowieso gestoppt worden von ihr.
You would have just pissed him off more.
Ja.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
Er kommt,
Who gets a massage this early?
aha.
Crane. It doesn't really matter the time of day. A mere scent of stress and he's out the door.
Okay. What?
Is he gone?
Was bist du für
Yes,
einer?
actually.
Zauberer von uns, hä? Ja, der Wein. Ist er da betrunken?
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Kaputte
Maybe.
Märli-Welt, ey.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
I'm not great.
Hasn't been a great morning, Buffkin.
Sorry.
Not your fault. Thanks for asking, though.
Jetzt bin ich ein
Okay,
bisschen netter. Schön.
Get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to
fables.
get
Ich hätte
her
Lust,
real
zum
name
rasch
from
zu
the
schauen.
books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
Ah, der Zauberspiegel.
I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
Mhm. Ich möchte gleich ganz gescheit schauen. Und zwar haben wir da neu Snow. Ja. Sie hat den Prince Charming geheiratet. Und der hat sie betrogen. Mit ihrer Schwester. Rosarot. Hä? Hat sie Schwester? Ich weiß nicht. Ah, nein! Es ist die von Schneeweißchen und Rosarot. Alles klar. Ja, ich kenne Merli sehr gut. Ich habe als Kind immer verschlungen und an den Krippen habe ich dann halt Merli erzählt. Ich war gleich in der Erzieher. Der Colin... Nein. Warte. Er ist eines von den 3 kleinen Schweinchen. Und ja, logisch. Er hat das Strohhaus gehabt und der Big B hat es umgeblasen. Voll geil. Ich finde es so cool gemacht. Ich bin begeistert. Der Ichabod Crane, der will ich. Haunted Town of Sleepy Hollow. Weiß nicht. Was ist Sleepy Hollow? Okay, die Neuere kenne ich nicht so. Ist das ein Neueres? Okay. Okay, er versteckt irgendwas. Wahrscheinlich ist ein Alkoholiker, der Buff King. Ja, genau, Land von Oz. Mhm. Er hat sein Booze gestohlen. Right. Ja, ja. Was ist mit denen? Mandis, eben, ja. Mhm. Zaubersprüche tun immer ihre Gedanken ablenken, falls sie gleich mal zu näher kommen. Oder einfach durch Fabletown durchlaufen und so. Cool, cool. Witzig, ich finde es einfach witzig. Da ist, schau mal, die Wunderlampe.
Snow White, Mr. Crane's assistant.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps. After the genie's been freed.
Alright. In dem Fall sind Genies wie Sklaven gewesen und es hat da eine Sklavenbewegung gegeben, kann man vorstellen. Voll geil.
Worth a try.
Naja, was du so schon gesagt hast. Coole Bibliothek. Ist das echt die... Es hat doch auch mal so eine riesige Bibliothek gegeben. Ich weiss nicht mehr, wie die Geschichte geheißen hat.
Hey, magic mirror.
So ein Angsthase und nachher geht er jenste Abenteuer erleben und nachher kann er alles.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See,
Muss ich mir rein.
was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine.
Fein.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Woodsman?
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
Shit.
What you see
Sorry, a bit
is
drunk.
complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Okay. Ah, ich kann ihren Namen noch nicht.
Show me Snow White.
Ja, ich bin gespannt.
Much of a request. She's in this very room.
Der Buffkin.
Show me Buffkin.
Wie weit ist er?
Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Ja, Mann.
Still looking.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Ja, wir müssen auf den Buffkin warten.
Until you do,
I can't help you. Exit.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else.
Or someone new. Alright. Da kommen die Bücher und ich würde sagen, wir schauen die das nächste Mal an. Er ist so betrunken schon.